In this video, I'll show you how to turn off safe chat in Roblox. Now, it's very quick and straightforward. The first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from the address bar in the top, we're just going to type in roblox.com and hit enter. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on a mobile device or a computer, as the steps are going to be exactly the same. So from the top right hand side, we need to come over to this settings icon, come down to settings, and in this left hand navigation, select privacy. First things first, you need to make sure account restrictions are disabled is turned off. Then we can come down to the communication section and we're just going to make these settings less strict. So to begin with, let's change communication from off to default. Who can message me? We can either set this to friends or everyone depending on your personal preference. I'm going to go ahead and select everyone. Who can text chat with me in the app? You need to select friends. And finally, who can text chat with me? We're going to set this to everyone. And then finally, if we come back over to the Roblox home screen, we've now successfully turned off safe chat. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.